What is corporate accounting in Edmonton, Alberta? What is corporate accounting in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada and the world? Accounting is the process of collecting, analyzing, classifying, verifying, interpreting, and presenting financial information. Accounting for corporations involves a variety of activities, including the compilation of balance sheets, cash flow statements, and other financial records and documents. It is capable of managing one-of-a-kind business procedures that are specific to corporations, such as the absorption, amalgamation, and compilation of consolidated records. One of the many forms of accounting is known as close accounting, and it refers to the practice of keeping financial records for the operations of a single organization. When utilizing this style of bookkeeping, the corporate accountant is solely concerned with the financial records of a single company at a time. This activity is frequently carried out in accordance with the concept of corporate accounting, which states that its goal is to determine the financial and operational health of a firm. The purpose of this activity is to determine the financial and operational health of a company. This method of accounting is also used to ensure that the financial dealings of a company are carried out in accordance with the regulations and rules that have been established by the relevant regulatory agencies or organizations. This is done by ensuring that the company uses the same method of accounting to ensure that its financial dealings are carried out in the same manner. In addition to this, it guarantees that the operations of the company are carried out in a manner that is consistent with the policies that have been formulated by the organization. They develop reports that management may use to steer their decisions regarding the overall strategic direction of the company by utilizing the reports that they make as a guide. The primary functions of corporate accounting in Edmonton. Accounting for businesses in Edmonton is often carried out by a team of individuals who have received specialized training, certification, qualification, and experience, such as a certified public accountant, CPA. They are responsible for reporting to either a chief financial officer, CFO, or another executive of a level that is comparable to that of a CFO in terms of the supervision of the company's financial management. According to the BOMCAS Canada Accounting and Tax Services Professionals on Corporate Accounting, accountants are responsible for a range of duties connected to the maintenance of financial accounts and the larger financial reporting system. These responsibilities include maintaining accurate records of financial transactions. The field of corporate accounting is likely to contain references to these responsibilities. Examples of activities that fall within the category of corporate accounting are provided below. Corporate accountants are those inside an organization who are responsible for the design, rollout, management, and upkeep of the business's accounting infrastructure. After the accounting software has been set up, several accounts for the company's equity, assets, income, and liabilities will be created by the staff of accountants. In addition, contemporary corporate accounting requires the ongoing preparation of a diverse set of reports utilized mostly within the confines of the organization. Further, the company's financial records are prepared for review by the appropriate regulatory bodies. The accounting division of the company is the one in charge of determining employee compensation. Corporate accountants determine an employee's level of pay based on the amount of time they spend engaged in this particular activity while they are on the job. The payroll for employees is either provided in the form of checks from the accounting department of the company or as direct transfers into their bank accounts. After that, the appropriate accountants go on to the next phase, which consists of making payments to contractors or suppliers in accordance with the compensation processes that were defined. When processing accounts payable, corporate accountants will often focus the majority of their attention on the inventory that is being brought into the organization at the same time. Accounting receivables management and administration. At this point, the accountant will process payments received from a variety of consumers on a constant basis. Furthermore, corporate accountants are in charge of dealing with any default problems that may arise. Companies may delegate responsibility for managing past due accounts to big accounting teams. In this area of corporate accounting, senior corporate accountants are in charge of reporting on the status of mature accounts and keeping firm management up to speed on cash flow and collections actions. Furthermore, senior corporate accountants must ensure that senior corporate accountants report on the status of mature accounts. They are also in charge of reporting on the status of accounts that have reached maturity. Corporation accounting is a necessary practice for today's enterprises. It was created to assist in determining a company's current financial and operational state. Get in touch with the accounting and tax preparation services of BOMCAS Canada right now for all of your company's accounting and tax needs.